One of army commander confirmed how strong Biafra army is. He said that if Biafra army ever gets international help, Nigeria will not exist again. My people, you are still in news info. Please share this video as long as you watch am. You know, history is always repeating itself. History is about to repeat itself again in Nigeria. I want you to watch this video from beginning to end.
How would you describe Biafran soldiers at the early stage of the war?
No. Now, for even keeping Nigeria with all the armament and all, for 3 years, they've tried.
They tried.
They tried. They were very tactical too. Very tactical. But then, they were always very mindful of the strength and the superiority in arms.
The superiority in arms.
No,
Nigeria was well armed.
No, we were using British and American this thing, where they solely dependent on Chinese and Chinese weapons.
And Chinese weapons were not as good.
As good, no, not as good as British or American.
So they were dislodged in a hall, like they were dislodged from Ore. So from a hall, the movement
to Asaba, 150 miles or 100 and something.
And it was a free movement.
No. No. Can never be a free movement.
They were still on the road.
They were on the road. And where it was possible for us to sail on a vehicle, we move. When we are attacked, we have to clear that something before leaving.
How do military clear an area? How do you do that?
Then when you have a pin down, when you are fired, when you notice the appearance of enemy, they will fire. How do you notice them? They keep on firing you. Then what do? You will be pinned down and continue to do what you know how to do best. What you know how to do best. And it can take you days, it can take you 1, 2, 3 days, but you have to clear that portion of enemy before.
How do you clear it? How is it cleared? You fire back?
Yes, you fired back.
With better weapons?
Even whatever they were using at that time, even Ogbunigwe was not a weapon. Whatever can kill.
Did you experience Ogbunigwe attack?
I know. Why not?
Can you tell me about Ogbunigwe?
Ogbunigwe is pieces of iron, pieces of bottle, pieces of and to be ignited by petrol. Then it's thrown wherever it is landed. Pieces of iron, pieces of this clustered together. It's a weapon.
And it was a dangerous weapon.
Very, very. When something is a weapon, it's dangerous.
So when 2nd Division got to Asaba, what then happened?
Yes, Asaba. Well, we captured Asaba October 5, 67. But do you know, right from Eho, we were forced to pin down at behind St. Patrick. No, St. Patrick is in Asaba. I don't know whether it's very close to Asaba. That time it was just like a kilometer plus. But I don't know whether St. Patrick is inside Asaba now. But that time...
It's also close to Okpanam.
Yes, close to that area.
Yeah, Zogu was from Okpanam.
Yes. Yeah, we had an encounter in his town. Okay. Okpanam. But we still sailed through. We cleared the pocket of enemy and we sailed through till we got to St. Patrick. 4th of October, 1967. 4th.
So when you got to St. Patrick...
Yes, it rained around 6. We were forced to pin down.
So when it rained, what did you do? You go into hideout?
Well, if there is a hiding out portion,
You take over buildings in areas you capture?
that is where you have buildings. What of if where we do not have buildings?
So what do
You
do?
do that in a build-up area. What do you do when you have no build-up area?
So what do
In
you
the
do?
bush, what do you remain there? Will you
And rain we...
rain beat you and get dried again and again? Eh? What do you do?
How do you eat?
No, we eat.
Who brings the food?
No, it's the same soldiers. We have people at the rear, far.
Okay.
They will cook, make the cooking, then brought them down where motor can, they are at a cleared area, an area where we consider safe, but no area is very safe because flying bullet can still kill them there. Flying bullet can fly over the troops at Feba, front edge of battle area, and hit somebody behind. So nowhere is properly safe, but only God is safe human being. So they will cook, bring either 2 head or whatever it is. You cannot fight without eating now.
So you have to withdraw those on the front to go and eat. So while they are eating, you move some others.
No, you cover their movement.
How do you do that?
You don't move forward. If you capture the place, you pin down.
Okay. What
If
pin
possible,
down is
you
possess it.
Yes, you make all round defense and wait for further instruction. It may be you will be asked to proceed or give chance. Now, for example, when Agbo was captured, my commander, Ogbunigwe, was telling us that he would have been the one to capture Agbo, if not the nasty experience he had at Eho. If Eho had been a safe through, he would have been the one to capture Agbo.
Who then captured Agbo?
I'm told it's 8th Brigade.
Okay.
So he came and he said he would have been the one to capture Agbo. So when we got to the junction, Agbo junction, we were asked to move. That is, those who captured Agbo were mandated to pin down and give chance to 7th Brigade to go ahead. So if you capture a place and you are instructed to pin down, you pin down. If you are instructed to proceed, another group will be coming to take over where you've captured. Otherwise, that place could still be recaptured by the enemy. So that is how it is.
On the war front, is there a break? Do they say, okay, Lieutenant Colonel Ajayi, can you withdraw and have a break and let others proceed?
Yes, it happens that way. That's the example I've just given. If 8th Brigade had captured Agbo and was asked to pin down and give way to 7th Brigade to proceed, that's all.
So when they are pinning down, they are resting?
Are they resting?
And that's what I'm trying to say. So the soldiers, when the
Do
soldiers
you
give
rest?
off...
No, nothing like resting. Everything will be going simultaneously. You don't rest.
You don't sleep?
How will you sleep? As I'm speaking with you now, I don't know. I don't sleep at night.
You don't?
I can never sleep at night.
Why?
It's because of that nasty experience I had at Onono. You are fond of sleeping. Somebody will just crawl very close to you. I was another rank. I was a sergeant. Somebody will cross close to you and cut, because if he fired, that sound of that firing will have attracted people to know that somebody will come. They can cut people's head like 7.
That happened?
It happened. It happened like that.
War is nasty.
War is bad. I don't pray for war. war, like General Cristali said, if you are positioning people, you are protecting the lives of people, but opening your own life to risk, to danger. You take cover here, you cover me here, I'm going there. He will take over. Bullet will not meet him. But you, who is positioning them, you open yourself to risk.